Good morning. Today we are going to start our audition etudes for all region. So we're going to go through this very slowly. We're just going to learn one measure a day and then put them all together at the end of the week. So for today we are learning audition etude 1 and we're going to start at the beginning. The first thing I'm going to notice is right here I have 4 flats. They are B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So unless I see a natural sign like this one in front of the note, all 4 of those notes are going to be flat. So here we go with our first audition etude 1. So from the beginning, we're just going to count it, and I have my metronome set at quarter note equals 40 to start out with. So that's the tempo we're going to start out with. Ready? Down, up, count it, here we go. 1, te, 2, ta, te, 3, te, 4, ta, te, 1. One more time. 1, te, 2, te. Make sure you're counting with me, here we go. 1, te, 2, ta, te, 3, te, 4, ta, te, 1. Now we're going to note name this. Ready? Down, up, note names. Here we go. C, F, E, F, C, F, eighth, G, eighth, beef, eighth. So we have an E natural. And if you'll remember, E natural is fingered thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in pinque. Then I also have an A flat, which is thumb, 1, 2, 3, banana in pinque. So out of all of these notes in the first measure, those are the only 2 kind of weird notes, and they're not super weird. So let's note name this one more time. 2 and note names, here we go. C, F, E, F, G, F, eighth, G, eighth, beef, eighth. So now we're going to sing and sing this. So I'm going to hold my camera up, down, up, sing and sing, here we go. C, F, E, F, G, F, eighth, G, eighth, beef, eighth. Let's sing and sing it one more time. Down, up, here we go. C, F, E, F, G, F, eighth, G, eighth, beef, eighth. And now we're actually going to play this. Ready? Down, up, play it. Here we go. And one more time. 1, te, 2, te, here we play. Te. And this time by yourself. Ready? Down, up, by yourself. Here we go. All right, so now we're going to break it down real quick. So we're just going to go one beat at a time. So the first beat is C, F, E. So it's going to sound like this. Your turn, here you go. Your turn, here you go. Very good. And the second beat starts on that E natural. Remember, it's thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to play E, F, G. Your turn, here you go. Your turn, here you go. And now let's put those 2 beats together. So this is the first 2 beats. Ready, set, here we go. All right, then we're going to play beat 3. So it's F and then eighth and then G. So on beat 3, it should sound like this. And then your turn. Ready? Here you go. F, A, G. Ready, go. F, A, G. Again. And here you go. F, A, G. And then the very last beat is a G, eighth, beef, eighth. So it's going to sound like this. One more time. Your turn. Here you go. G, A, beef, eighth. So if I put the whole thing together, it'll be C, F, E, F, G, F, eighth, G, eighth, beef, eighth. Last time. Ready, and here we play. Your turn, and here you go. Very good. So today you're going to record just measure 1 for me. So I look forward to hearing it.